Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about creating a digital model. And this digital model is about Earth's spheres. So there are 4 spheres that we're going to be talking about. And here it says, tell how 2 of Earth's spheres interact. And here it says, label Earth's spheres on the picture. We're going to label all 4. Clearly explain how 2 of Earth's spheres are connected. Use the box below to type your answer. So the hydrosphere has to do with water. It can be aquifers under the ground. It can be lakes, rivers, the ocean. So I'm going to put some rain here and label it hydrosphere. I'm going to see when I have these crosshairs, I can drag and drop. I'm going to make this coyote bigger. I've got a coyote that is part of the biosphere here. Anything living, like a plant or an animal. So I'm going to put it right here so I can talk about that plant and I can talk about this coyote. When I have this circle right here, I can turn my arrow. So there we go. And there's my coyote. If I want to bring in something else, I can do insert, image, search the web. And I did snake clip art PNG. And I'm going to take this brown snake because he'll be camouflaged. That would be something we might see in the desert. If that pops up. When I go to this corner, I can make it smaller and I can move it around. Okay, so that's another piece of the biosphere. So I'll take this arrow. See if I can grab the arrow. Control C, Control V. I'm going to make a copy of it. And I'm just going to extend that arrow down to my snake. Okay, then I have the atmosphere. I'm just going to put that up here. I'm going to have the geosphere, which is any rocks or soil. So I'm going to put that here. Atmosphere is any oxygen, gas, carbon dioxide. So now we're going to talk about how 2 of these interact. So we've labeled all 4. We know hydrosphere is water. We know biosphere are plants and animals. Atmosphere is oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. And geosphere are rocks and sand. And so we want to talk about how these are related. And we're going to type that in here. So just some ideas. All plants and animals need water. So that would be an interaction between the hydrosphere and biosphere. You could talk about how all plants need water to grow, animals need water to survive. So that could be an interaction. You could also talk about the atmosphere and biosphere being related by plants bringing in carbon dioxide and letting off oxygen, and animals taking in oxygen, like us, and breathing out carbon dioxide. And that's an interaction between the biosphere and atmosphere. You could talk about the geosphere, how these animals are camouflaged. They're part of the biosphere and they're camouflaged in the geosphere. Or you could talk about how the roots of the plants are into the ground, which are part of the geosphere. You're going to type your answer here. So you might want to start off by saying Earth's spheres are all connected. And then you're going to go into detail about the sphere you pick and how they're connected. How, if you're talking about water, the hydrosphere, and plants, the biosphere, how plants need water to grow. And so you're going to talk specifically, the 2 spheres I'm talking about today are the biosphere and hydrosphere, and then go into detail about how they're related. So that's going to get typed here. I just want to show you the rubric. So this is how you would be graded. On accuracy, did you label the 4 spheres? Are they clearly labeled? Did you use arrows? Can you really tell what you're talking about? And written explanation, do you really talk about the interaction between those 2 spheres and give some good examples? And that is this project. I hope you really enjoy it and do a great job. Have a great day.